Hi, hello, and welcome to this episode of Casually Yours. And today with me, this is Karishma Parker, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, Parker. So here with me, Karishma Parker. She's a beautiful lady, gorgeous lady, and to add up, she's a bodybuilder.
Yep.
Hi, Karishma. How are you
Hi.
doing?
I'm good.
Let's
Good.
walk. Let's walk.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. So Karishma, someone told me like I need to meet you for this casual talks. My what I picturized was like I cannot imagine basically like Indian and then Goan.
Yeah.
A girl, Goan ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ delicate ಅಸ್ತಾ ನಾಜೂಕ್ ಅಸ್ತಾ. Okay.
Yeah.
She is a bodybuilder. Like I was surprised. And then like dentist with Angle Makari combination seems to be odd, right?
Yeah, it is a little bit odd, but a lot of people are doing it right now. I mean, all over India. So it's not a big deal, but yeah, it is different in Goa, slightly.
No, but doctor ki bodybuilder.
Both, but more bodybuilder. I mean, I love my profession, but my passion is bodybuilding.
Okay. Was it like more towards bodybuilding and less to dentistry or what?
No, passion is something which you love doing, like, and profession is something which, of course, you love doing, but you do it more for your monetary purpose and because you've studied and stuff like that.
Correct.
Yeah. So both are equally important, but for me, my something which comes from my heart is bodybuilding.
Okay.
Yeah.
So being a bodybuilder, like, normally, yeah, a bodybuilder, a lady, and then a Goan. Initially, it did not happen like that.
It was quite. The transition happened very slowly. My beliefs became stronger very slowly. Of course, I had a lot of objections. I still have objections from my parents. They are not very supportive of me going into bodybuilding and doing what I do. But they're changing. Things are changing.
Things are changing, of course.
Yeah, and things will change definitely.
Yeah, surely.
Yeah.
There is no discrimination like if it's on sex basis like discrimination na kami asa.
Yeah.
But
But Azun Goyan like we are quite primitive, like 10 years behind.
You said 10 years back.
We are 10 to 20 years back in our mindset. Now just imagine you have a girlfriend,
Correct.
okay, and she wants to wear a bikini and go on stage.
Correct.
You will have social
Definitely.
pressure.
Yeah.
Your parents will have problem. Her parents will have problem. So there are no males who are actually supporting this sport.
I'm a male.
Yeah, but there are very few who would. You're a male, but you wouldn't support your wife or your sister doing it. You would support another girl. Yeah, true. I am.
Cool, yeah, good. It should be, yeah. Okay.
So, that's that. Because I was divorced, I was above 30. I was independent. It was
No,
much.
but was it a love marriage?
It was an arranged marriage.
Arranged marriage.
Yeah, so because I was so independent, I could take this decision and pursue what I wanted to do. But how many women in Goa would actually get to do that?
True.
So, you guys need to change.
Guys need to change, yeah. Okay, but as you said, love marriage, arranged marriage, right?
Yeah.
So, were you like interested in that institution, arranged marriage?
Actually not. I wasn't interested, but I had a terrible breakup just before I got into this whole arranged marriage scene, and it was more of a rebound. So it just happened. I was never a believer of arranged marriage, but then things were. It was a decision made out of I just wanted to I went out and it didn't work out, so I wanted to try an arranged marriage, which went a complete disaster.
So this bodybuilding was prior to that, or?
No, actually the reason why I got into bodybuilding was during my divorce, and I was going through a lot of mental problems and also physical problems. I had become obese. So to get a grip of my life, I started going to the gym to get in shape, to get my mind proper, So, and eventually it started giving me a lot of relief. It started giving me a good sense of feeling that, I'm doing something productive during that time when I was going through a divorce.
Do you think some depressions are source of inspirations?
Yes, you have. I really believe that when you're really broken, you can actually find your true passion. So I'm a true believer. I wouldn't have believed these quotes unless and until it happened to me.
Correct.
But I think, yeah, I completely transformed as a person. I can't even relate to the person I was 5 years ago. So I feel, yeah, it's
Believe in
everything.
love.
I do believe in love. I definitely believe in love.
Don't want to fall in love again.
Uh, there's no restrictions or blocks in my mind about love, but yeah, I have dated after my divorce, everything, but um, I haven't found the thing. Yeah, yeah.
Am I being more emotional today?
No,
It's
this
cool.
is not. Yeah, this is cool.
But are you cool like now in life, like being a bodybuilder?
Very cool.
कोणा मानला भी असे मी करना.
Nah, nah,
Like
nah.
see, तुझको पॉइंट नहीं आ
Look
रहा
at me.
that feel यार ये तो मार
No,
डालेगी
no,
like
no,
that.
no. I have never
But
hit
did you
anyone.
experienced this? म्हणजे कोणी असे केला असे या मारता पॉइंट्स मारता थोडा ना यार ये मार डालेगी किसी को असे असे जाता क्या म्हणा.
Nah, nah, nah.
See, this is a manly word. Like, however, आम्ही कितके
No,
पुढे
like
चाललो.
people are scared of me. Even in the gym, I intimidate people. So
Okay.
there is not a single person who can directly come or comment or anything of that sort. I am quite a dude in the gym. I would give you dirty looks back if you stare at me. So I am a gunda in a way, but yeah.
Okay, lots of patience or patience.
Patient.
Patience.
I have very less patience.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You like movies?
Yes, I love movies.
Which
In
I
fact,
mean,
I
which
watched
are-
Joker yesterday.
Ah,
Late
I mean
night.
only English movies, Bollywood.
English, Hindi, all. Anything funny, yeah. Scary, anything, all
Or like
sorts.
in Hindi.
Hindi,
Your favorite action movie.
I liked Uri.
like मुझे असे असलीच कशी तरी म्हणजे inspiration जिथून मिळालं तसली
Yeah,
कशी तरी
yeah,
nothing
yeah.
to do with
No,
romantic
funny
things.
also.
I mean funny part of it like fine okay but love affairs and all जास्त
Yeah,
नाही
yeah, yeah, yeah. I liked that Dream Girl also. It was nice.
धर्मेंद्र रिमगल.
No, the Ayushmann Khurrana's
Okay,
Dream Girl.
okay.
So that was also
So
good.
any songs like you love to sing?
Kabir
for
Singh.
me?
I love Kabir
Dilip
Singh.
Iqbal, what is that?
No,
Dil-
Bekhayali.
Ah.
Tera ban jaunga. No, I wouldn't sing anything.
But
I'm
Kabir
sorry.
Singh is also something to do with the same thing. Obsession.
Yeah, obsession.
Yeah.
Like they call me Kabir Singh.
Ah, cool. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
great.
I'm a doctor and I'm
Same था नहीं कोई इधर दे
yeah, I'm also obsessed with something.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, so I'm like the female version of Kabir Singh. I truly feel the movie.
Ah, but do you have that friend of Kabir Singh who is like
Which-
supportive? Like who
Yeah, I have
come up?
lots of friends who support me through every shit even when I mess up
During
my
the
life.
disaster, was there any friend like?
Yeah, I have a set of friends who have been there with me since 19 years, and we are going thick. And they kind of counseled me. They took me for therapy, a lot of things. They helped me a lot during my.
Doctor,
Well,
you are a doctor, right?
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
you work whatever. Like doctor,
Yeah.
they are like खूप असे त्यांका पेशन्स
आसूंक जाय.
आसूंक जाय बरोबर.
पण तो जाणा कबीर सिंगाक पेशन्स नाशिल्ले.
मूवी right?
Yeah, so there are some dentists and kind.
Do you really relate movies to life, real life?
Yeah, I do. Very
Just
much.
because it happened with you?
No, no, but movies are inspired. Movies are made by human beings only, right?
But तातूंत खूप मसाला असता न्ही like.
हय मसाला आसता पण तो खंयचो मसालाय बी इन्स्पायर्ड आसता न्ही खंयच्यान नाल्यार खंयच्यान.
Very good, very good. I mean like
I
why
do
bodybuilding?
fashion photography. I do shoots. I do paid shoots. So
But those are obviously म्हणजे आकाच body related to bodybuilding I suppose.
No, I do bikini shoots. I do a lot of fashion
Okay.
shoots related to my fitness. But yeah,
What is that हे तुझ्या आता सध्या खंय आसा खंय तुका in this field of yours?
meaning
Your bodybuilding field तू आता खंय आसा खंय तुका? What is your position?
my position in India is quite good. Like I've got gold medal all over India, like thrice.
Okay.
Now I need to step up my game and get a pro card, which will allow me to represent India at an international platform.
Wow, that's great.
So that is my aim, and I'm working for it. Let's see
Any
where I
regrets
get.
in life?
No, not at all.
Don't tell me.
Not at all. I've lived my life king size. I mean, I wouldn't call them regrets, but lessons. Yeah, no regrets.
No
I
regrets.
don't believe in regrets.
If I tell you that you will get a chance to go back in time and then change some things of life.
Well, I wouldn't want to change anything except that no, absolutely nothing.
Sure.
Because even if I had to say I wouldn't want to get married, or if it would have been better if that it wasn't a marriage. But then I would be like I wouldn't get my daughter.
Correct. And then
So
your career
yeah,
as a
in my career
bodybuilder.
as a bodybuilder, so I wouldn't want to change anything. Probably all these things made me what I am today.
Correct.
So I'm happy in a way to reach this place where I am. Yeah.
Are you so emotional?
See, you can't be an emotional bodybuilder, but yeah, you need emotions where the competitiveness is considered. In the sport, you need to have aggression and not emotions in a different way. You can't be feeling bad about certain things. You need to have that zeal to go on even when certain things are not going right. You need to be extremely positive.
Correct.
If you call if you call that emotions, then yeah, it's a different kind of strength that you require in this field.
The tagline of my program is life is not a target, it's a gift.
Yes, definitely. It's more like live the process, live every moment, rather than trying to set up a destination or a goal, and forgetting everything while reaching that goal.
Correct.
Yeah.
So what's your goal?
My current goal is to get the pro card, as I told you, and represent India, make a name for myself, be a good mom, be a good dentist.
Coming to mom,
Yeah.
how does your baby feel?
My baby is extremely proud of me, and she even tells her teachers that my mom is a bikini bodybuilder, she got a gold and stuff like that. So she's proud of me.
मी थंय खंय तरी कॉम्प्रोमाइज जाता खंय दिसता तुका म्हणजे बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बॉडी बिल्डिंग
हय कॉम्प्रोमाइज तर जाताच कित्याक द अमावंट ऑफ एफर्ट्स एंड द आवर्स दॅट यू नीड टू पुट इन it's not just the hours that you put in the gym, मागीर ते diet and that tiredness and everything. It is, yeah, to an extent I would like to balance it out much better than how it is right now.
Getting into this, was it a gradual process? म्हणजे okay, you coming into bodybuilding is a different thing, पण acceptance जो असता.
Yeah, acceptance was a very gradual process. Like when I first competed, I got a lot of criticism, but I was quite constructive about myself, the criticism also. No matter how it came to me, I only bettered myself. So, yeah, you can say it was, but right now I feel I have a lot more support. Still, there are people in Goa who would be like, why, she's a dentist, why does she have to do this? And there are people who would ask me, maybe she's not doing well as a dentist, that's why she's doing this. And then there are people who would be like, she's so shameless to wear a bikini and go on stage. There are these 10% of people, but the youth and a lot of people who have seen world and who have seen a broader perspective of life are supporting me. So
दात काढपाक ताकदीचो वापर केला केन्ना म्हणजे अशी किडिंग
दात काढपाक टेक्निक्स जाय पडटा पावर जावं नाका.
Okay. What if you were, I mean, I give you a chance to be the CM of Goa for a day?
Make more benefits for bodybuilders.
Only sports. Only sports.
Sports, yeah.
I said chief minister, not sports minister.
I think the way things are going, things are not that bad.
Are you talking about the political scenario of it or what?
No,
Okay.
the
Not
overall
going bad, you're saying.
development.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Fine, yeah.
So less trouble to people, like even the bridge and all that. I wish I could handle that traffic thing and all those things in a much better
No, see,
way.
these are some gradual processes. Okay? You have to bear these things. Like,
Yeah.
एक रातीन जावची ना.
Yeah,
Things.
that's there.
What do you have to say about the environment?
I think Goa is still in a much better spot where pollution is considered. But yeah, I mean, we could do the waste management process much better. Like in Margao, it sucks. The kind of dump yard that we have. There's no segregation. There's no separation of waste proper.
Any plans of entering into politics?
If people allow me to, and if I
Allow
get the,
or like you wish to?
no,
Do you have that?
No, I don't think so. I don't want to get into politics.
Are you inspired by anyone in life, like in bodybuilding? Obvious.
Yeah, there are many international athletes like Angelica Teixeira. She has been Miss Olympia since 2017-18, I guess. And
So when can we see you there?
soon, maybe in a couple of years.
Great. You're making Goa proud and India proud too.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, I was going through your Instagram thing. Okay, but you
Yeah.
have got lots of followers.
Yeah.
Correct. These followers, like sometimes they are a problem also.
Yeah.
So
But I
encountered
have
such thing?
I have got like weird Instagram followers who have asked me to marry them.
Oh,
And
wow. Was that a serious proposal?
no, I mean, I would be like, why would I even get married to you? It's not that I need to get married to somebody. So,
तुका तें विचारपालें म्हणजे सी कॉल्स येता आसतले like
yeah, calls येता, messages येता, कोण messenger वयल्यान phone करता. It's like, it's very irritating.
irritating. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Never got attached to someone, like any messages of
I don't even look into most of the, messages. If there is appreciation, there's a thank you,
Okay.
and that's about it. But I don't like to meet people over Instagram. I like more real people, like having real connections.
Do you think I'm a real person now? I mean, I directly
Yeah.
called you and said I want to take your interview and you said okay to me. Like,
Yeah.
was it okay?
Yeah, it was completely okay. And
Oh,
it's
thank you so
also, you need to know people. You need to connect to people and
Seriously.
then,
Yeah. Yeah.
find out if it's relevant,
Until unless
it's
you
true.
meet a person like
yeah.
you can't. So that is what you learned from your life?
True. That is what I learned from my life, and I'm still learning that Instagram, social media, all these things are good for your promotion and everything.
Great.
But
I've got a
not
question for you on that thing. Is it, as you said, great for your promotion? Like, तुका दिसना खंय तरी this youth is getting obsessed with this?
Yeah, it is very addictive, but it is also, you cannot say that it is a bad thing because I learned so much about my bodybuilding and many other things like fashion.
Yeah, every time I ask you, you come to bodybuilding
No,
only.
but
like,
because
isn't there
I
something
learned it
wherein
from
say, no,
Insta-
but you can say like, I wanted to be like this. I want
No,
to
I
wear
learned
this.
everything from Instagram regarding my bodybuilding. I'll
See,
tell.
you're coming again to
Yeah,
bodybuilding.
yeah.
I want to ask you one thing.
Yeah.
Being a woman, being a
Yeah.
lady, like, अच्छा सनी सजना सवरना होता है, मतलब वो होता है.
Yeah,
Never
I
felt
love.
like-
I do both. I love saris also. I wear my saris.
Okay.
I do my makeup, and I love doing both things. So even when I go on stage, I wear my big lashes. I make my hair, and I love to look very glamorous. So
See, I've gone through your pics also, okay? Position achcho. So
Hi.
compared to you.
What did you see? What?
I mean, see, I can't say anything to you now because you can bang me like
No,
right
no,
away,
no.
but-
You are free to.
But ताजे पहिले जे असले पळय, that nazakat, you can say nazakat, that
Yeah, that delicate.
yeah, delicateness. Tatur, don't you think that was better than what you are now? This is obsession. You said like this out of that depression, out of that anger, and to an
Yeah,
aggressiveness.
I think I can do both. Like if I hide my shoulders and if I wear a good sari, I can bring my femininity, how people want to, see it.
So you have that option also now.
Yeah, I do have that option, but I'm more comfortable in this
Okay.
than what I was that time. I was too submissive, naive, too innocent of a person at that moment, and now I'm pretty strong
Like
and I
discourse?
can take on world.
That's
Yeah.
true. Go out for parties and all, discourse. Do you
As a bodybuilder, I need to sleep.
see again bodybuilder?
Yeah, because my life revolves around bodybuilding.
Okay.
I need to sleep at like 10, 11 and my
You
life...
have to. Is it like that?
I like to sleep early and get my 7 to 8 hours of sleep
Okay.
because that's the rest that I require, and
correct.
everything I have opted towards more healthier lifestyle. I used to party, I used to drink, but you know, I've been there, done it all, and now I'm a mommy. I am 35 and I'm kind of settling down. You
Wow,
know,
you're just 35.
yeah, I'm just 35.
Cool. So, any plans to get settled again?
As I told you, if things happen and if there are legit people and if people are really worth it, then I could give it a thought. But so far, I'm very happy doing what I'm doing. I love my space. And
You know,
there are,
but after this show, you may get some proposals.
yeah, but they better come with a lot of caution because
Hang on.
I'm
Did I mention any proposal? I said like it may be bodybuilding or
yeah, 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 yeah.
Why did you come to that topic then? Still feeling that love?
No, I don't. I mean, love. I believe in love, but um, I'm pretty.
Want to stay away from that serious love? Is it?
No, I scrutinize a lot. I am not very easy into these things
Okay.
anymore
Okay.
because it took me a hell lot of time, like almost 3-4 years,
Oh.
to come out and become what I've become. So to get into that thing again.
So okay, the youth out there, okay, they are like they want a message from you, a good message, a beautiful message.
Yeah, listen to the world, listen to your parents, listen to your teachers and everybody who gives you good advice. But never stop listening to your heart and never try to get that clarity as to what you want to become. Don't be a herd, don't follow what other people are doing. Try to find your own uniqueness and go for it. You never know, you may shine so much better following your own heart than following somebody else's plan. See, basically, where encouragement is concerned, the rest of the India is very encouraging. Even the Goan youth bodybuilders, they are so proud of me and they encourage me so much, you know. I am one of the few women
Yeah,
of Goa who is taking this step to move forward. But I have got immense support from men. And although they know that there is a dominant nature where males are concerned in every
Do
profession.
you want to name or thank anyone on my show?
I would like to thank my coach Asad Hussain, who is not just my bodybuilding coach but is also my life coach, and all my friends who have been there with me, like Sankesh, Azim, Nevid, Vittal, all these bodybuilders who have seen my journey and supported me, my parents and my daughter.
Youth is also. They are more towards these fast foods and all those things. Like
Yeah.
your diet should be something else, right?
Yeah.
So diet ko sosta and then give a message to those.
Mine
youth.
is basically a high protein diet and carbs in moderate amount.
Okay.
So I get a lot of this thing की protein चढ खाल्यार अशें जाता, तशें
Correct,
जाता,
correct.
हें जाता, तें जाता.
बरोबर.
So I actually had a counter question की म्हणजे तुमकां कितें दिसता कोक पिल्यार चड बरें जाता, चिप्स खाल्यार चड बरें जाता. Like know the science behind everything. कोण म्हाका सांगता protein supplements म्हणल्यार steroids. Now protein supplement is something which has been designed for you because you are not getting enough protein in your diet, and you can't be going every day. Like normal person cannot eat like us bodybuilders half a kg of chicken every day. But
Half a kg of chicken every day.
yeah, half a kg to 450 grams chicken every day. But that is the necessity of the intensity of training that we go through.
Okay.
If you are breaking down your muscles, you need to repair and you need to give enough protein.
Correct.
Second thing is protein never gets stored in your body if there is any excess. So tu kitle protein khale unless you have a chronic renal disease. That is the only contraindication where you have to control your protein, and some cases of uric acid problems. Apart from that, even the old people really require to get enough amount of protein right from childhood to later. Your muscles, your organs, your skin, everything is made of protein. So if you're not giving enough protein and if you don't do changes, like in India, we have a very basic diet, because I feel that was designed for the purpose of, people are not very rich, they cannot afford meat
Correct.
every now and then. So it was a very peasant's diet that we used to follow. Rice,
बरोबर.
dal,
Yeah, yeah.
But if you have an option, why not improve, invest in your body, improve the way you eat. Just because we have been eating sakai utun tonak, pho and idli, you don't have to continue doing that and causing damage to your system. If you know meat is good, if you know eggs are good for your health, do the switch. It's not difficult at all.
Today's society is like more divided onto these things, religions, caste, all these things. ताजेर किन मुझे
For me, caste is not a criteria at all. I mean, it is an obsolete thing. But yeah, person's bringing up means a lot. Whichever strata that you are in, if you are a well brought up person, I respect you. Or if you're not well brought up, but you at least aim at being a good person, even despite that, that means a lot more.
what was your criteria for your dream guy? What was I said?
I am not at all exacting, and I never had an exact picture of my dream guy, and it keeps changing. Like 5 years ago, it was something else. Now it's something else.
So
But
you're
yeah,
a kid. Still a kid.
I'm still a kid. Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
A kid by heart. But right now, I am more into bodybuilding
Yeah,
and
that's what I said,
bodybuilders.
like, past.
So I, like 5 years back, I wouldn't look at guys like, okay, fine. I would like a muscular guy. But right now, yeah, I can't seem to like normal human beings anymore.
You're a super lady now.
Yeah.
Superwoman, yeah.
Yeah, like a mutated.
Okay, are you so sober? Like, कशी दिसतं? तू आता उलयता बीन एकदम soft, like soft spoken. All this stuff. Like, was it after the incident or like?
See, I have my swings, and I am quite an aggressive person if you hit the wrong button. But most of the times I can comprehend and make you understand most of the things, and I can maintain my voice at this level. But if things go out of proportion, I can be
You can
wild.
scream also.
I can be really
How is
wild.
Karishma as a mom? Your baby
It's
has
like,
any complaints?
Yeah, she has quite a bit of complaints. I am more of, I don't think I'm a very conventional mother. But I think I'm doing a good job. But
Is it a job for you?
No, it's not a job, but like I'm doing a good role as a
Okay,
mother,
role, okay,
probably.
okay.
Yeah, I have to do the role of a father and a mother. So 50-50, I think I'm doing my thing to the limits that
How is
I
Karishma
can.
as a daughter?
She's not listened to everything that her parents wanted her to do, and she's rebellious. She does what she really thinks is right.
Was she same as a wife?
Yes, I am very. I'm a deet. Yeah,
Deet.
deet. Yeah.
So do you think?
I mean, I'm my problems or strengths could be that I'm a feminist.
So was that the reason for your? I mean,
Yeah, one
nothing?
of the main reason was because I was a feminist and I respected myself too much.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, which is not accepted in Goan and Indian society. The women have to be treated
Do
like
you blame
doormat.
yourself?
No, absolutely not. I'm happy that I stood for myself, and I stood for a lot of women who are out there suffering and,
today also,
don't know
you're
what to
for
do.
the world also, like
Yes,
this country
definitely.
also, yeah.
My larger goal in life is to become a role model for for women who are weak and cannot take their decisions for themselves. That hey, on the other side of your marriage or divorce, you can still live a happy life. You can still come out strong, and you can still show the world who you are.
Great. It was a great thought. This was Karishma Parker with me, the strong. What I thought was like she's just strong physically, but she's mentally and like emotionally very strong lady. I was very honored to have you on my show, ma'am. Thank you
My
so
pleasure,
much.
man.
Hope
Just
to see
pray
you.
for me.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
And hope to see you at that Olympia you said.
Yeah.
Okay. There soon.